To avoid this trap, you need to find a pattern. And as you can see, these are arranged in a pattern. So how can you recognize it? Find the center, that is the middle number, or what is called average. Do you understand? Now let's dive into it. Now this is x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4 is equal to 120. This is an algebraic expression. Now how can we find the center or the middle number? Now, if you look at it very well, the coefficient of x here now, if you look at it, is 1, and the constants are what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, how to find the middle? You pair the first with the last and the middle as well. How? What do I mean? 1 plus 4 over 2 is equal to 5 over 2. Is that not? And the same thing, 2 plus 3 over 2 will give you what? 5 over 2 as well. So now you can now have y is equal to s plus 5 over 2. Now this is the expression we shall use to find the value of s for this expression. Now how can we solve this now to make it easier for us? Now let's move on. Now remember, we said that the middle number is 5 over 2 and these are increasing by 1. So therefore we can now say, okay, x plus 1 is equal to what? Y minus 3 over 2. How? How is that? That is 1 minus 5 over 2 will give you what? Minus 3 over 2. Now let's move on. X plus 2 will give you what? 1 minus 1 over 2. Is that not? For those that are following me. Now s plus 3 will give you what? 1 plus y plus 1 over 2, and x plus 4 will give you what? Y minus 3 over 2. Therefore, this expression now, this whole thing now becomes what? Y minus 3 over 2, y minus 1 over 2, y plus 1 over 2, y minus 3 over 2 is equal to 120. So that's the first step. Now let's move on to the second step. Pair the symmetrical factors. Are you getting me? Now, don't forget that this one is plus. So we now have y minus 3 over 2 into bracket y plus 3 over 2, then followed by y minus 1 over 2, followed by y plus 1 over 2 is equal to 1 over 2. Did you see that now? So here now we now introduce what is called difference of two squares. That is y squared minus 9 over 4 and y squared minus 1 over 4 is equal to 1 over 2. Now for easy solving, you can now say let y or z is equal to y squared for easy solving. So whatever you see z, you put, whatever you see y squared, put z. So you now have z minus 9 over 4 into bracket z minus 1 over 4 is equal to 120. Now these are led to what? An algebraic fraction. So in order for us to make it linear, we multiply both sides by what? 16. So when you multiply both sides by 16, you have 4z minus 1 minus 9 into bracket 4z minus 1 all is equal to what? 120 times 16. That's what we shall have. Let's proceed. Now 4z minus 1 into bracket minus 9 into bracket 4z minus 1 is equal to 1920. So you clear this bracket. So when you clear the bracket, I think you have 16z squared minus 40z plus 9 is equal to 1920. So we now have 16z squared minus 40z minus 11911 is equal to 0. Now this leads to what? Quadratic equation. Now in order for us to get the value of z, we have to use quadratic equation. Is that not? So you can say z is equal to minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over what? 2a. Now remember, from this expression we have a is equal to what? 16, b is equal to minus 40, and c is equal to minus 1911. So we substitute whatever you see these numerical values. So we now have minus 40 plus or minus square root what? Minus 40 squared, is that not? Minus 4 into bracket. What is our a? 16 into bracket. What is our c? Minus 1911. All over 2 times 16. Is that not? Yes. Now let's continue. So we now have 40 plus or minus square root 1600 plus minus times minus will give you plus. Will give you 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4. When you multiply all over what? 32. You multiply 4 times 16 times 1911, you have 122,304 over what? 32. Then move on. So now our 40 plus or minus square root 23904. 123,904 all over what? 32. Let's write. Let's write. So now have 40 plus or minus. Now when you find the square root of this, you have what? 352 all over 32. So you now have 40 plus 352 over 32, and at the same time 40 minus 352 over 32. That means you are having two values for z. So we have 392, z is equal to 392 over 32, and at the same time minus 352 minus 40, 2, 1, minus 312 over what? Over 32. Now if you look at it, 8 can go in 39, is that not? That's 4. Remember 7, that's 9 over 4. That is 8 in 32, that's 4. Remember what? 7 in 72, 9. Now the same thing here, we have minus 39 over 32. That's what we shall have here. Now let's write. So now the value of z, since z is greater than or equal to 0, and we have said y squared is equal to z, is that not? So we shall choose the positive value, neglect this one. So now have y is equal to plus or minus square root what? 49 over 4, which is equal to plus or minus 7 over 2. Equal to plus or minus 7 over 2. Now let's solve for x now. Solve for x. Now remember, from the beginning we said y is equal to what? X plus 5 over 2. So if y is equal to plus or minus 7 over 2, then 7 over 2 is equal to x plus 5 over 2. So x is equal to 7 over 2 minus 5 over 2. X is also 1. Is that not? 7 minus 5, 2 over 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Then the same thing here, if y is equal to minus 7 over 2, y is equal to what? X plus 5 over 2. So minus 7 over 2 is equal to x plus 5 over 2. So we now have x equals to minus 7 over 2 minus 5 over 2. X equals to minus 12 over 2. X is equals to minus 2. So final answer is equals to what? X is equals to 1 or minus 6. Now, if you find this helpful, please subscribe for Sholima's TV for more Olympiad tricks like this, wide jump, and a lot more. Then use this same trick now to solve this. X plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4, x plus 5 is equal to 136. Now use this same trick to solve this. And don't forget to drop your answer in the comment section. I shall receive a like. Bye bye.